Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gift card code and balance so you don't interrupt the flow. Open the App Store or wallet with your Apple ID already signed in. This links the redemption to the right account. Tap Redeem Gift Card and either scan the code with your camera or type it in. Make sure the characters match exactly. Once done, the credit is added to your Apple ID balance, ready to use for Apple Pay purchases tied to that account. You now ensure Apple Pay recognizes the Apple ID balance. Go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and confirm Apple Pay is enabled and that your default card is set. This avoids accidental declines. When making a purchase, choose your Apple ID balance or Apple Cash as the payment method. Tap Change or Payment options if necessary. Make sure your billing address and account region match the Apple ID. You finish by authorizing the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. That confirms the purchase and applies the gift card credit. If the gift balance doesn't cover the full amount, Apple Pay automatically charges your selected backup card for the difference, so expect a combined payment. If something goes wrong, like the balance not appearing, sign out and back into your Apple ID, restart the device, and double-check region settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.